3.7. 3.7% unemployment, and you thought the important number was the 315,000 non-farm payroll print for August. The unemployment rate is a little higher than expected, and I believe the reason we're seeing an early bump higher in futures. Also, a positive for stocks, wages came in a little soft, playing into the thesis that inflation is starting to abate. Save the best news for last. The labor participation rate a little better than expected at 62.4% as young and old workers return to work. Goldilocks lives. Welcome to the Money Runner. It's Friday, September 2nd. This is your Market Minute. I'm David Nelson. The street wanted to see a Goldilocks number, and I guess they got it. We'll see if we can take the early strength into the close in front of a three-day holiday. Coming into today, on average, we've added 451,000 jobs a month through August. Employers are still trying to normalize their workforce as many have dropped out and others may not go back to work under a mandate to return to the office. Over time, we'll find equilibrium. Look, the jobs report, it's a snapshot in time. Looking backwards, and as we talked about yesterday, company after company are rethinking their employee base. I think the layoffs we've seen announced recently from a lot of companies, including JP Morgan, Microsoft, yesterday Bed Bath & Beyond cutting 20% of its workforce. I think that's just the tip of the iceberg. I believe in the months ahead, you're going to see the payroll numbers tick lower and the unemployment rate move higher. All of this is important because the biggest fear the market has right now is less the Fed talking point higher for longer, but more about the possibility the Fed would have to return to a Volcker playbook and hike past current levels of inflation. If they did that, the economic damage that follows, that would be severe, and bears would be right. If you haven't done so already, check out yesterday's pod, NVIDIA warns who's next. By the way, if you're up in the 6 a.m. hour Tuesday morning after the holiday, join me with Maria Bartiromo on Fox Business. Enjoy the holiday. See you next week. I'm David Nelson.